Font properties. Font properties facilitate the settings and appearance of individual characters in a line of text. Earlier we have used the text properties. Text properties are used when we have to apply the styles on the complete text. But if individually we have to apply the style to an individual character in a line of text, then in that case we need to use the font properties. So the first font property is font family, and it specifies the prioritized list of fonts to be used to display a given element. Means font family, these are the different styles that we give to a text. And what is the syntax we have? The syntax is font hyphen family, then the value, where the value is font family, or it can be any generic family name. So what is family name? Name means what type of which font style we are using, and generic family, it gives the name of the family to which this particular font style belongs to. Next property is font size. It is used to set the size of the text. Whenever we need to set the size of the text, we need to use this property, and the syntax is font size value, where value can be XS large, extra large, larger, large, double X smaller, X smaller, smaller, small, length, medium, or you can give in percentage also. So instead of writing these large, small, smaller, we can just write the numerical value also. In that case also, in that way also, we can provide the font size to the text. Next property is font style. Font style displays the chosen font either in normal, italic, or oblique. Okay. So the syntax is font style value, where value can be normal, means the text will appear as normal. Italic means it will be slanting, and also the style will be provided to the text. And oblique means it is similar to italic, but the difference is that oblique is slanting towards right, same as italic. But in this we are not providing any style, means the text will be simple one. The last property that we have for font is font property. So this property is used, or it is a shorthand method to set all the above properties that we have used earlier, like font family, font size. So we can merge all these properties into a single property, and we call it as font. Okay. And what is the syntax? Font value, where value is font style, font size, and font family. So in this I am just showing you an example where P is the selector, means we are applying these font properties on the text that we write in a paragraph. Then curly bracket is there. Within the curly bracket we write the declaration, that is combination of property name and its value. So I have used the font property, in which I have first is font style. Font style is italic, font size is 12 pixel, and the font family is Arial, which belongs to generic family sans serif. Okay, so this was the font property. Now let us just have a look at the HTML program that implements the font properties. Now just see, we are using HTML tag at the starting. After that the head section is there, head tag is there. We have given the title as text properties. Then we have the style type. What I told you, that this style type is equal to text, it shows that we are implementing, or we are including the CSS into our HTML program, and this method is internal. Okay, means instead of using the style attribute within a single line, we have defined it in the head section. Next, what we have done, we have taken a selector body in which we have given the property background color. This property helps to set the background color of the web page, and we have set it as yellow. So just close the style tag, close the head section. This marks the end of the head section. Next we have is the body tag. Body tag, in body tag we have used the paragraph tag. Is it? Now see, what is this? This is the inline style. This is the inline style, and this is the internal style of implementing the CSS. Now see, when we have to apply the style to the paragraph tag, how we will write? We'll use the style attribute equals to, then double quotes, within double quotes we'll write the declaration. What I have written: font family should be Arial, font size should be XXL large. Okay, and in this I have written the text, and this marks the end of paragraph tag, end of body tag, and the end of HTML tag. Okay, so just we'll just save the program, and after that run the program. This is the output that we will get. You can see the body color is yellow and the text is appearing like this. Okay, so in this way we have applied the font properties to the text.